Today we are working on Excel Lesson 5, the 10th and final lesson in Lesson 5, printing selected worksheets. So you see down here you've got 5 different worksheets. So click the quarter 1 worksheet. If that one's not selected, make sure you have that. Hold down the Control key and click the quarter 3 and the quarter 4 worksheet tabs to select them as part of the group. You can see that they have a green underline under them. Click the File tab and then click Print. Verify that Print Active Sheets is currently selected, so right here it should say only print the active sheets. Click the Next Page and Previous Page buttons to view each of the worksheets you've selected for printing. You see there are 3 of them. You can also print all of the worksheets in this workbook. Click Print Active Sheets under Settings and then click Print Entire Workbook. You can see that it went from 3 pages to 5 pages, so click the Next Page and Previous Page buttons to view each of those. Close the workbook and discard any changes. So we're just going to close it. Submit results. There you go. This completes printing selected worksheets.